Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study geometry effectively. First, focus on truly understanding the basic definitions and theorems. Don't just memorize, grasp the underlying logic. Next, make sure to visualize geometric concepts. Drawing diagrams and using physical models can make abstract ideas much clearer. Finally, consistent practice with diverse problems is crucial for solidifying your knowledge and building confidence. To truly grasp core concepts, try breaking down complex geometric shapes into simpler, more manageable components. This helps in understanding their properties. It's also essential to memorize key formulas for things like area, volume, and perimeter, as these are your tools for solving problems. Always try to connect new geometric information to mathematical ideas you've already learned, building a stronger foundation. When tackling geometry problems, always start by drawing an accurate diagram. This visual aid is incredibly helpful. Clearly identify all the given information and precisely what the problem is asking you to find. For proofs, work through them step by step, making sure to justify each statement with a definition, postulate, or theorem. This systematic approach will lead you to the correct solution. Consistent review of past material is vital to reinforce your learning and prevent forgetting. Don't wait until the last minute. Make it a regular habit. Also, make good use of online resources, practice problems, and additional textbooks to get extra practice and different perspectives. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.